Hello, my name is Alicia, and today I will teach you how to play the chemistry game Lab Cabinet. The purpose of this game is that students will become familiar with the 6 different classifications of chemicals: metals, nonmetals, oxides, acids, bases, and salts. Everything that is included in this game is seen here. There's the game board, chemical cards, and packed chemical cards. At the beginning, players must choose where they will sit. There can be 2 to 6 players. Each place, there is a workplace, a personal storage, and then there's a lab cabinet in the middle. At the beginning, players are dealt 5 cards. They cannot choose which order they will be played. They are just laid down. And then they will turn over their cards. As we see here, this is a bonus card. This allows you to do something special, so we don't want all the other players to see this card, so we can keep this card face down. So to begin play, the first player will choose 2 cards. They can only use these first 2 cards that are here, and you cannot use these cards yet. So I will take these cards and place them into my personal storage. We see that these cards are blue, so if you do not know that aluminum is a metal, it's okay, because on your personal storage there's also a place that says metals in blue. So I will place the aluminum here. It's also important to note that the cards that I put into my personal storage need to be the same chemical. I cannot put aluminum and iron both in this place. It needs to be the same chemical. Now I need to look and see if any of my opponents have anything that maybe I could trade with them. I see that this opponent has 2 iodine cards and they have an aluminum card. I need 1 more aluminum to fill this storage place. So I will offer, hey, I will trade you my iodine card for your aluminum card. And they see that it's a good trade, so they say, okay. This new card has to be placed in the same place that the original card was taken from, as well as on my side. Now I will move these 3 cards to the front and draw 2 more new cards. Now it's their turn to go. They as well can only play 2 cards. They will play iodine in the non-metal, and they see that they don't want to trade anymore, so they slide these cards up and draw 2 more. Now that it is my turn again, I will choose to play the aluminum here. Now that I have 3 aluminum cards in my storage, I will place 1 to the side to help me keep track of which packed metals are mine. I will place these 2 in the chemical waste disposal spot, and I will find aluminum in the packed chemical pile. And here we have it here. Now I will place this packed chemical on the metal spot of the lab cabinet. There are 2 different ways that you can play this game. The first way is that each player will have to fill 1 row of chemicals in the lab cabinet. So each player must make a metal, a non-metal, oxide, acid, base, and a salt packed chemicals in their lab cabinet row. Or you can choose to play where whoever has the most packed chemicals at the end of the game. So if we choose to play it the first way, and the second player goes, and they get iodine, then he would put his iodine non-metal in a different row. So that way this row belongs to 1 player and this row belongs to another player. However, if we are playing with just as many chemicals as you can make, it doesn't matter which row it is in. Also, we see here an example of a bonus card. This is a clamp stand, so this card allows you to change any 2 of your cards and you can change any two of your cards with any opponent's cards. They don't have the right to tell you no, so you just get to do it. So I see here he has phosphoric acid, and I have 2 phosphoric acids. So I will just change this formic acid for phosphoric acid, and I will just change this one for copper. So this bonus card goes in the chemical waste. Can place this one here, and I move these up. So let's say the game continues, and we have here just to play, it says whoever has the most cards at the end of the 45 minutes, then players would count and see how many they had. So if this, we just put it in whoever put these cards out there, and we would see that this player has 5 packed chemicals and this player only has 4. So the player with the 5 packed chemicals in the lab cabinet would win the game. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoy playing this game with your students and helping them better understand the 6 main classifications of chemicals.